Now guys, I'll guide you how to create a cloud armor policies in Google Cloud Platform. This is very important guys to secure your networking services. Then first click on navigation menu, then click on VPC network, then click on firewall, then click on cloud armor policy here. Guys, as you can see here, Cloud Armor Advanced Network DDoS Protection is now generally available to protect application services using network load balancer. As you can see here guys, and protocol forwarding and so more. Then click on create policy here. Then assign the name of the policy, service access, allow. Then you can policy type, you can select backend security policy type or a security policy type based on your requirement guys. You can select here. Then you can select the scope as the global, or you can specific regional. Is your application is located in specific regional, then you can select here like US Central 1 and US East and anyone, but I selected as default. Then click on next step guys. As you can see here, this is the action. Default rule action is allow or deny. If you want to allow your access, then select allow, or if you want to deny, then you can select deny here guys. Just I'll show you how to create a security policy. So I selected as default deny here. Next step, if you want to add a rule, then you can create a rule here guys. Then you can add here, as you can see here, but I don't have any rule here now, so that I leave as it is. Then click on next step. Then you can apply the policy to target, the target, add to the target the backend services and front-end services, whatever you have the service, then you can select here. Then you can click on next. Then next target also you can add multiple target based on your requirement guys, as you can see here, but I don't have any available target option now, so that I leave as it is guys. Then click on next step. Then in the advanced configuration, you can adaptive protection is enable, then you can select enable here. Then you can configure here, or you can deselect. Then auto deploy is available here guys. It's so easy, and this is the beauty of Google Cloud. And this is a content parsing. Then you can configure here. If you are having the user IP request here, then you can configure here also. Then click on done. As you can see here guys, once you have complete all the steps, then click on create policy here and wait a couple of seconds to create your policy. As you can see here, this is your service access allow is successfully created here now. Service access allow is successfully created here now. If you want to delete it guys, you can select here, and this is a simple step guys. You can just click on delete policy here, then click on delete and wait a couple of seconds. Remove your cloud armor policy from Google console portal. As you can see here, your policy is successfully deleted here now. I hope so now you can understand how to create a cloud armor policies in Google Cloud platform. Thank you. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.